other lady. But I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I know one thing, that I want you with me. I know you're working, but I don't care, I'm stingy. Baby, come with me. Baby, come with me. Baby, come with me. Baby, come with me.
Ain't no my girl's a shit. She don't care about the chips. She just wants my presence and a little hug and a kiss on the lips. Not impressed on them plushed out whips. It's a trip, we stay connected together, combined as one. No gun, no hun can come between us. Her rats hate, they just want the penis. But believe this, since day one she held me down. No matter my situation, she still came around. Out of town trips to come see me for a while. Drove out of state to see me rap live. And it's impossible for me to give this music stuff up. I'm in the studio late night, we puff. Steady on the go, always doing shows. Conversation short when we talk on the phone. I gotta let my girl know I'm with her, you ain't alone. I'ma talk to you later, baby, I'm sorry, time to go. And she said,
baby, come home with me. I want you here with me. I need you by my side. Can you just let me stay for the night? Baby, come home with me. I want you here with me. I need you by my side. Can you just let me stay for the night?
Tell you got a lot of questions building inside, and I can see a lot of anger in the tears that you cry. Asking why do you sit here just to put up with this? And every day that goes by you get a little more pissed. You wish you could stop me for a minute or two, just to chat and tell me all about the things you go through. You're blue and it gets worse with every moment in time. You're trying to hold it in, but every day you break down and cry. Cause I'm gone all the time, I'm on the road making moves, trying to build a better life for our kids and for you. I know you don't care for material things. You ain't a girl sweating Bentleys or them diamond rings. And you're probably thinking that there's someone else in my life. It's just a feeling you have, so you just argue and fight. So I had to jump on this to set the record straight. You my wife and I love you till they pull my slate. She said,
baby, come home with me. I want you here with me.